HOTWAV is one of the best brands in China that is well known for its rugged devices. The new HOTWAV R5 Tablet is the latest addition to its amazing catalog of rugged devices. Along with the ruggedness, the tablet comes with the ultra-high specs which ensure smooth functionality and amazing user experience. One of its bright spots of this tablet is a huge 15,600 mAh battery. This large battery allows it to run for days, not hours. In conclusion, it is a tough and strongly built tablet available at a low price range. It comes with distinctive specs and the features that you can use in everyday life. I have to mention that starting from today you can get this great tablet with a coupon code at the price of only $150. The sales link is below this video. Hurry up, take a chance and grab your new HOTWAV R5 tablet today. Follow us on the channel, we will soon have the R5 on the detailed review. That will be all for now, see you soon, bye.